Well, today's March the 5th, and I'm down here on the beach. It's 6:20 a.m. in the morning down here on Daytona Beach, and there are a lot more people out here than I expected this morning. One of the last shuttle launches that we'll be seeing. Apparently the space shuttle program is going to be discontinued, so I think this is one of the last launches that they're going to be sending up. Just flashing along the shore here right now, you can see a lot of the buildings lit up, a lot of the hotels. So we're going to look off into the distance. It should be just about 6:21 right now. I don't expect to see very much, usually just a dot in the sky, but we will see what we can see. Unfortunately, this is not one of your more expensive video cameras, otherwise we'd probably be, oh, there it is right there. Let's flash back over, see the light in the sky. We're going to zoom in a little bit. Wow, pretty bright. Look at that. Wow, that is, we're about 20 nautical miles from Kennedy Space Center. That is very bright. Back out a little bit. It looks just like a ball of fire, but with the eyeball you can actually see the flame. I don't know why, for some reason it looks like a round circle through the camera lens. Let's see if we back off it a little bit, if we can get a little better view. No, for some reason we're just getting a round circle looking through the camera. Looks more like a more of a line of fire with the naked eye, but as I say, for some reason with the camera we're getting a round circle. Almost looks more like the sun, which obviously that is not. But we'll follow it up a little way, and very nice though, looking at it with a naked eye. You can actually see the fire shooting right out of the back of it, right out of the back of the rocket booster. Let's see. Very nice. You can actually or definitely tell the speed. I don't quite know what the speed is for it to escape the Earth's atmosphere, but I can tell you one thing, you can really see it's moving fast. I think now you can begin to see it more as a line, not as a circle of fire. I'm going to zoom in on it a little bit more, see what we can do here. Okay, much better picture right here. Much better. I don't know how far we're up at this point. You can somewhat see the condensation trail. Looks like there's been a separation of the rocket booster. I'm not sure at what point that happens. And it looks like the rocket booster is now completely separated. We're looking just at the shuttle itself, I do believe. Now it usually takes a few minutes to hear the noise and feel the rumble. I don't know if that'll be picked up on the camera or not, but usually you hear something that sounds like thunder, and you can actually feel the rumble. Of course, we know that noise doesn't travel, or sound doesn't travel quite as fast as the speed of light. So that explains how come it takes about, I think it's about 6 to 7 minutes before we're going to hear the thunder-like noise and feel the rumble. I had set the clock. I almost didn't get up this morning. And it surprised me, a very clear morning this morning. It surprised me though that we're still able to catch it. Here comes the rumble. I hear the noise. See if the camera can pick it up. I'll be quiet for a moment. Looks like okay, now I'm going to pan back down just so that you can see the ocean. Maybe we can pick that up this morning. Rumble getting a little louder. You can see all the people out here taking pictures. Lots of people. Surprised at the turnout, although maybe not too surprised, because as I said, it is one of the last videos that were, or one of the last shuttles. I'm not sure how many more. This one apparently is taking supplies back, or up to the space station, International Space Station. I'm going to go back up. You can now see in the lens, you can actually see the shuttle. It looks more, because of the way the Earth is curved, you can actually see the beach, the water, the beginning of the sunrise, and the shuttle off in the distance. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit there, and you can see it at the top of the screen right now. We go back up and see if maybe the camera can also pick up the condensation trail. It looks... Let me see if we can pick that up, because it actually is pretty... Oh, there's the... Yeah, you can pick it up in the camera. You can see the condensation trail. Follow that all the way down. Right back down to the surface. And I think at that point, we're going to call it a wrap. Well, I hope you enjoyed this. I'm going to be posting it this morning after I take a little bit longer of a snooze. Hope you enjoyed this, guys. Take care.